Hey guys, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these two easy Christmas wall decoration ideas. Let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this wreath. What you're going to need is a grapevine wreath, a bow, any type of floral you would like to use on your wreath, hot glue, wire cutters, and a bell. The first thing you want to do is that you want to get an idea where you want to put your bow, and then you can glue it on with hot glue. I use a pre-made bow, but you can make one instead. When you're done putting the bow on the wreath, you want to take whatever type of floral you would like to put on your wreath and cut it with wire cutters. After you're done cutting everything, you want to place them where you would like them to be on your wreath. I used a silver berry pick for mine, and I put them behind the bow. When you like how it looks, you can glue everything on, and if you need to, you can take everything off and glue it on. Or you can just leave everything on the wreath and glue it into place. I did have an extra stem with berries and leaves, so I cut the berries and the leaves into sections and glued them on where they needed to be. When you're done gluing everything on, you can take a bell and tie it onto your wreath with a piece of twine. Since I was using an ornament, I cut the twine on mine and ran a new piece of twine that's longer through the hole that's on the bell. Then I tied it on and trimmed off the extra twine. Then I moved the knot behind the bell and glued the twine into place. When you like how your wreath looks, you're all done. The last DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this ornament wall decoration. What you're going to need is a large wood ornament that you can buy already made, or you can make one yourself. You're also going to need a paintbrush, paint, fine glitter that's the same color as your paint, hot glue, and a bow. The first thing you want to do is that you want to paint your wood ornament. When you're done painting, you want to make sure the paint is still wet, and you want to take your glitter and put some in your hand. Then you want to sprinkle the glitter on the wet paint, and the paint should hold the glitter in place. If you don't want to add glitter, you can go on to the next step. When you're done sprinkling glitter on the paint, you want to wait for the paint to dry before you go on to the next step. And if you're worried that the paint won't hold the glitter, you can put a coat of Mod Podge or something else on it. When the paint is dry, you want to paint the top of the ornament, any color that you want. I painted mine gold. The last thing you can do is that you want to make a bow or get a pre-made bow and glue it onto the ornament with hot glue. Then you're all done. And And that's how you make these wall decorations. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!